Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will find the value of an expression without the use of any calculator. So we have under root 11 raised to power 4 plus 100 raised to power 4 plus 111 raised to power 4 divided by 2. So we can rewrite this expression as 11 raised to power 4 plus 100 raised to power 4 plus 100 plus 11 raised to power 4 divided by 2. Now substitute this number as a equals to 11 and b equals to 100. So on substituting we get under root a raised to power 4 plus b raised to power 4 plus a plus b raised to power 4 divided by 2. This can be further written as under root a raised to power 4 plus b raised to power 4 plus a plus b square bracket 2 divided by 2. Now we know a plus b whole square equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab. So apply this formula over here and we get under root a raised to power 4 plus b raised to power 4 plus a square plus b square plus 2ab whole raised to power 2 divided by 2. Now we also know that a plus b plus c whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. So apply this formula over here and we get under root a raised to power 4 plus b raised to power 4 plus now a square, that is a raised to power 4 plus b raised to power 4 plus 4 times a square b square plus 2 times a square b square plus 4 times a cube b plus 4 times a b cube divided by 2. On rearranging this expression we get 2 times a raised to power 4 plus 2 times b raised to power 4 plus 6 times a square b square plus we can take 4ab common from these terms. We get 4ab times a square plus b square divided by 2. Now divide this whole expression by 2 which is given in the expression. So we get under root a raised to power 4 plus b raised to power 4 plus 3a square b square plus 2ab a square plus b square. So we can rearrange this expression as a raised to power 4 plus b raised to power 4 plus 2a square b square plus a square b square plus 2ab a square plus b square. So if we look at this expression, we can find out this as a square b square and this term as 2ab. So our expression will become a square plus b square plus a square b square plus 2ab times a square plus b square. So now if we look at this expression, this can be treated as a square, this term treated as b square, and this term can be treated as 2ab. So now applying the formula of a plus b whole square, we get a square plus b square plus a times b whole square. Now this square root and this square will cancel out. We get a square plus b square plus 8 times b. Now substitute the respective values of a and b. We get 11 square plus 100 square plus 11 times 100. So on solving this we get 121 plus this is 10,000 plus this is 1100. On adding this we get 11221. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next.